Master, thank you so much for allowing me to ask some questions to you and also to share what your answers to more people that they never really have the privilege of meeting you in person. Yeah? So I wrote 4 questions. Um, so let's see how long this go. So whenever you feel that you want to stop, you just stop, no problem. In many spiritual paths, there is a turning point that begins the inner journey. So, for example, in the life of Buddha, he saw suffering, and that was for him the turning point to start the inner journey. So, for you, was there a turning point in your life that led you to begin your inner journey, the spiritual path? What was that turning point?
Yeah, I was 21 years boy that time, a normal boy, enjoying the life, going to movies, taking girls, business, normal, everything as playing sports, so everything in life. And it was like from 14 years to 21 years, this 7 years. Mostly every chakra has 7 years. First to 7, first chakra develop. 7 to 14, second chakra develop. 14 to 21, third chakra develop. Like this, every 7 year, one chakra developing, automatic by nature. So that was my 14 years finish, and almost study also half study did. I did study till 18 years, went to university. And then this 14 to 21, I have very fast and everything in life. Everything. 1 year crazy for sports, 2 years just crazy. Only sports, nothing else. Then change. Then go to some is college and politics, college politics. So 2 years was like this. Then change. Mostly every 1 2 years I change my issue. I boring, not felt, not get what I want. Then 2 years very business, full business. All the time, morning to night, only business, thinking about business. So strong mind. Then 2 years only girls, nothing else. Morning I get up, okay, where is girls? I want to find, I want to get, and running behind the girls. So it was like this, 21 years. And then 21, I went to my grandfather house. My weekend, shop was closed, and me and my same age, my mother's brother, we went to movie night and eating something, restaurants, and come back. It was normal. Then morning even me and he sleeping together in one bed. She came, servant came, and she wake up us. She said, grandfather is very shaking, so much happening in him, body very shaking. See, we went, and then we running to take him to doctor, and went to doctor. Doctor look, he said little hard attack is coming, and then he gave injection or something, medicine. Then he said, give him rest. he will be okay maybe 2-3 hours. Then I love my mother very much, too much, very connected. So I came to his house, my grandfather house, because mother is there. So I went to see her, and she went to other my auntie house. So I am hurry to see her. So I just took, I say okay to my mother's brother. I said, I come, I go see her, and I come back. I took bicycle. That time bicycle I driving, and then go. As I went there, so I find she came back here, back, because she heard father some sickness, something happening. Then I came back. As I enter, that has very big place, many houses, small, like this type, resorts,
Okay.
and many small houses, many families living there. So as I came to main door, and somebody told me, oh, grandfather left, gone. So okay, I don't have attachment here, no much. Okay, gone, so gone. Came back, then slowly, all relatives, neighbors,
Family.
they all coming start. His dead body is there. So whole day like this, from morning 9 to till 4 o'clock. And 4 o'clock we taking his body to burning ghat, for burning. And then I looking. First, before in our tradition has body has to give shower, bath with milk, with curd, with water, and make nice way.
Yeah.
So they are my three is sister, my mother's brother. They doing because they son can do this thing.
Yeah.
And I was standing. I was 21 years, looking. Everybody silent. Somebody like sad, but silent mostly. And I was totally whole day, no any emotions, no any crying, no any sad, nothing feel.
Nothing.
Because no, like it not happens, so happen. For me, no meaning. I'm no sad. And then when they doing, and I was looking, suddenly I cry, roaring, not crying, roaring, loud,
Like a shout.
like a blasting something inside. Everybody shaked, like there are 100 people. Everybody shocked. What happened? And then I cry and cry and cry and cry non-stop, rolling with cry, like my heart want to blast. I don't understand also why I so strongly cry. And then we put him in his body put in wooden
Yes.
and take in truck. Everybody go to burning place. I was cry, continuous cry. Put body in fire, and then I sitting crying, and then I think, yesterday night I seen him. I talk little bit with him. Now he gone. Now he cannot talk. Where he gone? What happened to him? I am 21. I will be done one day go. Where go? 21 years before, what I was, where from I came, who I was. I heard we are soul, we are being, but I don't know soul. I know body only. I don't know anything. And then next morning I come back my home, and there was my we giving 2 rooms in Talent rent, and he was is Osho sannyasi. And then I talking with him, whole day talk about this death, death, death. 3 days continuous I talking with him, and he also very much talking. He giving my all answers. We are enjoying. And then 3 days after I say, okay, now I go back. I have shop in another town, 40 kilometers from there. And I go. He came behind me. And he gave me one book. I didn't want, but I said, okay, Osho book. He said, you read it. So, okay. I just put in bag. Came back, opened the shop next day. Opened the book and start to reading. And then I cry and cry and cry. Reading less, cry more. Too much cry. One line I read and cry. One page I cannot read in 3-4 hours. Cry more. I like very much. I say. And then I say, this man is very perfect, right talking. Every word is right. I want to see him. I want to meet him. And then I find where is, but he is written there. Then I went next week, come back to my home, give back to book to him. And he came again and give me again new book. I didn't want. I said, too much cry. Feeling weak, so much cry. I feels like I'm a strong man. Cannot cry, but cry. Then I took, okay. And that book was Sex to Super Consciousness. Famous book of Osho. Osho became very famous with this book. Sex to Super Consciousness. And I was very sexual man, too much sexual. I said, wow, some nice techniques will be.
Claro, of course.
Some tantra, some nice techniques. I say, okay. Then I reading start, but don't understand. He talking about energy, kundalini, uplift your energy, go to awakened. Not so much understand, that's okay. Then I read, and then when I go back from lunch to my shop, keep book in shop. And my father very interested also. He is reading also.
The
Both
same book.
reading this book. Very good book. And then, but not understand what is energy, what is kundalini. Never heard these words before. I said, okay. But I understand only one thing, this energy has to uplift. Sex energy has to lift. Then I came back next week. Every week I come back home, give back to him this book. Then he gave me new book. And that book is Kabira. Jin khoja tin paiya. Means who search, they find. Who they get. Who search. Then I read and I was crying so much. And in that book only written one paragraph, few lines, hit me. He said, Osho said, 15 days, every day 1 hour meditation you do. 16 days you don't do if you don't like. If you like, go on. I say, okay.
Simple.
Then I say, where to do meditation? I looking start. Then I find one sannyasi. He say, 2 days after we have celebration 21st March. We all celebrate, meditate, you come. So, morning 6 o'clock they doing dynamic meditation. I came just 10 minutes, 15 minutes late. And they doing second part, catharsis.
Yeah.
Somebody crying, somebody dancing, and very chaos dancing
Yeah.
and shouting. One sannyasi say, no, he said, Allah, Allah, Allah. I'm in mosque and Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. And I was bit,
What is this?
yeah, very, I said, they all crazy. Crazy people. Even they don't know dance, how to dance. One leg go there, one hand go there. They don't have systematic dance. I don't go inside. I say, no, it is not my place.
Yeah.
And then I left. And he say, whole day will be program, this meditation, this. And he say 4, 5 o'clock will be dance, disco dance. Very strong dance. And dance I like very much that time. I say, okay. Then I went back my home, go to shop, open shop, took lunch. I said, now I want to go see what happening there. Then I came back, dance. They say dance. I say, okay, good. Then 1 hour I crazy dance, full energy, crazy. And then I ask them, I like, my heart is open. I say, what do you do every day? How, what meditation, this? He said, every day we do here dynamic meditation, morning, and evening Kundalini meditation. You can come. I say, evening I can't come because no time, but morning I come. Then I start dynamic. And first dynamic was, as I enter, even not start yet, just open the music. And then I roar like that, roaring. Like lion is roaring. And then continuous cry, 1 hour. They doing dynamic and I'm just cry. Rolling on the floor like this. So like a restless, something want to blast, go away, out. And then that day from every day I go dynamic. I don't do dynamic 1 month. Only I enter in room and cry will start. And I enjoy cry also very much. Because that cry after I feel very high, very flying. Then 1 month after I start dynamic. I say now okay to dynamic. Can do. So it was like this. And this was my turning point. This my grandfather death.
Yes.
And then after I took sannyas and I say to my grandmother, very good, grandfather died that day. She say, what? It's good? I say, yes, very good. I die also. He shows me way.
Yes.
He is dying and he died me. He killed me also. And something changed happened. Then I running is to Pune to take sannyas. I not listening home. My papa very freaked out. And whole day from morning to night I enjoying. I am not here. I am sky. Always my inside music and my body is dancing. I walking and dance like outside, out from everywhere. I am not here. So it was like this. My father, my neighbors very crazy, very angry. One day I feel it was 5, 6 o'clock time evening, cloudy, black cloud, nice air, very dancing moment. I just go to my home. I want dance. I went first center. Center was closed. Then I came back to my home. Go to roof, big roof, like this. And I dancing start. Alone. Without music, without anything. Just dance. 1 hour almost I dance. Little rain coming. More enjoy. And then just I open eyes, all neighbors looking. What going on? He's crazy.
Yeah.
And already I famous crazy boy in that town. And they are listening, looking. And then I just sit and Vipassana start. And 8 o'clock my father closed the shop. He came back. He just drunk every night. After drunk he come. As he enter in house, we living up, owner living down. Story. Owner my catch him. He said, Mister, I giving you 12 hours. Tomorrow morning you leave up my house. You not bear. I can't bear you. So what happened? Your son, too much. What he did? You know? He dancing. 1 hour. All neighbors are a whole area looking. He was angry anyhow with me 2 months almost. Very angry. Because I am not interested in shop, not interested in anything. And he came, called me. Come here. What you doing? I said, dancing. I want to dance. This is time for dance. This is shop time. I said, but I want dance. What to do? I feel. He said, you not leave this meditation, dhyan. I said, no. You not leave this Rajneesh. That time Rajneesh.
Yes.
Also called Rajneesh, Bhagwan Rajneesh. I said, no. He was very angry. Gave me one rapid. Said, leave? I said, no. Leave him? I said, no. So leave us? I said, okay. I leave you. Anyhow, I said, one day we have to finish. I don't know, you will be first finished or I will be first finished. One day, really truth, we will be away. But master, he go with me. Even after death, he will be with me. Then he gave one more. And then my one other neighbor, he also renting, he was policeman. He came and grabbed him. No, don't do. He said, leave, go out. I said, okay. I just don't have shirt, only trouser. I just go to take my shirt. Don't take, this is my shirt. He said, okay. He said, this trouser is also yours. I just opened trouser. I said, I leave. Everything I leave, all cloth is yours. Because you gave me.
Yeah.
So this my neighbor said, no. He just took shirt, take it. And then I left. I just touched my mother's feet and father just turned back. He don't touch me. I said, okay, as you like, what to do? I left. I came back to my shop. There is nearby a small chai shop. This with a hut type. And just I say, okay, tonight I sleep here. And just I lie. As I lie and thunder coming start. Big thunder. Big winds. And then I went to another shop. Oh, there is shade, tin shade. And then teens coming from shop, run, blow, everything blowing start like a big, big thunder. Trees fall down, this, that. I say, okay, today I am finished. No my mother here, no my father here. Nobody is here. Please take me. I don't want to live here more. I'm enough. I said, one teen come and cut my head. Finish life. I don't want to live because nobody is here. They all is selfish. I cannot do myself what I want. Then slowly, slowly thunder finish. I sleep. Morning I went to dynamic again. Did dynamic. Then we after dynamic we have chai. Just we taking chai. So I said to them, look, this is happening in life. He said, they are worried. What you do? How you survive? I said, don't worry. Existence with me. Master with me. You don't tense. Don't be tension. He will take care of me. He said, but what you do? I said, you do give me just 100 rupees. Say, okay, what do you do 100 rupees? I say, I take one card and put there cucumber or mango, sell.
Yeah.
He say, you can sell? I say, yes. And our family reputation in this town was very rich man, rich people, top. Everybody very respectful, rich people. Say, you can do? I say, yes. I just took do meditation start, my reputation I throw. Minor reputation. But I will take card, put cucumber or watermelon, any fruit, and sell in my papa shop front. He sell clothes, I sell cucumber. I say, okay, we can give 100 rupees, no problem. 100 rupees, no big, okay. I say 50 rupees, I just like with 100 rupees I can make it. That time very cheap time. And then, but I say, okay, wait, 2 days I go my uncle, my town, and say to him, I doing for this happening. And I went, I said to him, I say, your reputation will be finished, I don't know. He said, no, you can't do this. Our reputation is finished. Whole town what will say? He said, wait, I talk to Papa, brother. Then he talk and he said to Papa, leave shop and give to him. I say, me and he cannot sit together. We can't do business together. Or he do or me do. I don't want him. He's not my father now. Okay. Then my father left shop. Give to me. And then I running. But shop also I finished in 3 months. Because when whole day I vipassana. I enjoy vipassana. Customer come, I not deal them. I not look them. Why they come?
You were more interested in yourself.
Because my
your
vipassana finish otherwise.
Yes.
My one breath. I just read one every breath you have to know. Buddha did. Buddha's way. Buddha every breath watching. No any one breath he forget to watch. And I say, okay, I will do also. Same. I go in this way. And whole day I try to be vipassana. While working, while eating, while walking, while talking, but vipassana. So, but in beginning is difficult happen. So, if any customer come, very difficult. I not interested. So slowly, all my customers My shop is the number one, top in market. And slowly all customers go to
The
that
other
shop.
shop.
He is very happy, I am also happy. I say, okay, I enjoy my Vipassana. Don't come. And then shop is closed. Anyhow, no customer coming, so finish.
Yeah.
No money coming, no customers coming. Gone. Finished. And then I went. So like this,
Yes.
it was turning
Yes,
point.
yes. So for you, the trust,
Huh?
the trust that you feel for yourself or for your master was bigger than anything else.
Yeah.
You
I
continue.
have this trust to any universe with me,
Yes.
existence with me. However he want, I live. If he want, I die, I die. If he want, I eat, I eat. If he want, I laugh, I laugh. I am nothing. He do. I am in his hand, fully, totally surrender. How you want.
Yeah.
And this, it was, mm, this line was last line of Jesus. When he crucified, he said, however you want. You want I killed like this, I finished like this, okay. Who I am to say no. If you want I crucified, I crucified. It is your wish. I have no wish. Totally surrendered. And it was my past life. Past life I die in this moments. This understanding was like this. So it is was very life is very surrendered, very fiery, very energetic, very did whatever I do. I want to do this. I do fully. I get whatever I want. I got. No anything which I not got. Whatever I want, and always in every things, or sports, or education, or business, or anything, I am always number one, first. I never want to be second. I never want anybody be more than me. And I just thinking, if he can do this, why I cannot do this?
Yeah.
He is like me, like a man. If he can be prime minister, how I cannot be prime minister? Better good. I didn't go that way
Yes.
to be
Go
prime
to
minister.
meditation. Yeah.
So this 7 years was very fast. Existence shows me everything, all way. This is like a training.
Yes.
Then I can talk about everything because I know everything. Very fast, everything did. Even my father said, when I start meditation, and always crazy. Then he said to my mother, wait, I know him. Every 6 months one fever come to him. He running to business, then he business only. He running to sports, then he forget everything. Then he do
Gym.
wrestling.
Yes.
Then I am wrestling whole day. So like a crazy. He said, 6 months wait. This fever will be finished also. Then he be normal. But when 6 months happened, 1 year happened, 2 years, he said, this fever is very big. It is not going. This meditation. I said, this is right. I want this one. And looking another way. Maybe here I get satisfaction, maybe here get, maybe with girls, with money, with sports, with name, with power, but I not find anywhere. No satisfaction. Now I am satisfied and I go on. And then I went go on, go on, go on, till I not get this answer. What is death? What will after death? Where I go? What will happen? Where from I came? All this existential question, which I start the journey, and then till took me 8 years to get this answer. Only meditation, no interest in anything, nothing interest anywhere in my life. Only be aware, be aware, be aware, be aware, more aware.
Thank you, Master. So I want to ask you because this is also for yoga people or meditation people, yes? And today many people practice yoga asanas like physical postures, and but meditation is often like something separate from the practice. Like not many people include meditation as also as a yoga practice, as a daily practice. So why do you think that there is such a gap between physical yoga practice and meditation?
Look, you doing meditations, and meditation has many techniques. We also using here, and this yoga, this asana also is practice, one practice, and all practice took you to meditation. So this is also one practice. One yoga master happened who start the yoga, who give the yoga, Patanjali, and he did 8 part. Yam, Niyam, Pratyahar, Ahar, Pratyahar, then Dhyan, Asan and then Dhyan. So asana is 5th, Dhyan, meditation is 6th, and 8th is Samadhi, enlightenment. So before meditation, this is physical things, physical energy work, physical your balancing happen energy. That is okay. Yoga awake your body energy, keep body and mind relax, make you balance. And meditation also make this. And meditation also like you doing our techniques, like a dynamic, like do Kundalini. In dynamic yoga already there, like a breathe, fast breathe, catharsis, all system. And in end come to meditation. Meditation means just quiet, relax, dead body, no doing anything, non-active. And active have because body has, mind has, body mind has activity inside energy. So do. So for body is very good yoga. Make asanas. So body energy where is stuck, where is functioning happening, flow happening. So very good for asana in this way. And after asana you do, if you like, yoga do, asana do, and after every asana do shav asana, dead. Shav means dead asana, just niskri, nothing. Every meditation has, our all techniques also has. Last 15 minutes be like dead, no think, no move, just like a dead body. Dead body cannot move. So this is before part of yoga. And then who do yoga, and then slowly they move to meditation. And I preferring meditation direct because yoga already include is there. Already has. Dynamic has some techniques of yoga, asana has, exercise has, physical energy has to wake up. Yeah.
So it's already in the system of yoga.
Huh?
It's already in the system of yoga.
Yeah, in
Meditation is
already
already
system.
there.
Yoga is before,
Yeah,
meditation is after.
yeah, after.
But in meditation, all has.
Yes.
Yoga also has, and meditation also has.
Another question is about also science. Scientists start to study meditation. And they show that there are, of course, effects on the brain. The meditation has effects on the brain, the nervous systems, and also the cells, our cells. Yes? So, what actually happens, according to your understanding, inside the human being, inside ourselves, when they meditate deeply, like physically, mentally, and spiritually? What really happens in the human being when we do deep meditation?
Mostly, which technique I giving you, meditation techniques. These all techniques has these 3 steps. First part, physical, body, wake up body energy. Second part, emotions, then mind, thoughts, and then consciousness. Relax. So this all 3 things has meditation working on 3: body, mind, and conscious. Yoga is working only body and mind. Consciousness no. But if you do yoga, you do yogasana, do shavasana, slowly, automatic you move. In meditation, you will move. Like before, I coming to just I remember, I coming to this meditation way. Before this, my grandfather death, I in my town one camp came, yoga camp, 1 month camp. They do naturopathy every day, morning, evening, 2 time yogasana 1 hour, different asanas, and I joined that. And after every asana, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they do asana, 10 minutes they relax, shavasana, and I do. And just when shavasana come, I just forget to has to get up to do next one. I forget. I just, and suddenly my I watching start my breath. They also say watch the breath, be with breath in shavasana. Be with breath, relax, come to breath, look the breath, watch the breath. And I enjoy so much breath, like a music. And then I forget to have to, he say, instructor, get up, second asana, do next asana. I not get up. 1 hour I just lie in vipassana. And even I didn't know it is vipassana. It was vipassana. I never heard,
No.
never know. When I start meditation and vipassana, I say, it is vipassana. I enjoy very much. And then I lying vipassana. When I start, I don't know, half hour, 1 hour, time go
Very quick.
easy.
Yeah.
I am just gone with vipassana. Even in shop, my whole day I vipassana. So vipassana was my very
Well,
perfect,
yes.
right meditation was. Yeah. And dynamic if you make, so dynamic make you vipassana more easy, more clear. Make this breath, way of breath very clear. Your breath go deep, big, uh, high and deep. Breath will be open. Yeah, this is it.
And this is the last question, Master.
Okay.
And it's about lineage, like in a spiritual path, in a spiritual journey, like for masters. They always follow a lineage, right? You also follow the lineage of
Lineage?
Osho. The lineage,
Mm.
you follow the lineage of Osho. And also, while you are here, of course, you create ashrams, you share your knowledge, your teachings. But then what happened after body? What happened after a master leave a body with the lineage? Like how it is continue, how the teaching continue.
Look, when master come and master is alive, then no lineage, because he is fire.
Okay.
He can change his rules any moment.
Yeah.
He make rules. Okay, now this rule for my pupil, for my ashram, for my thing. Next day finish by himself,
Okay.
because he is live. He live moment to moment. He no have fixed. Lineage is fixed
Yeah.
after. After master lineage start. Buddha, when Buddha is there, no lineage. When Shiva is there, Krishna is there, no lineage. You cannot do with them anything. With master you cannot do. Master gone, now you can do whatever you want with master. You want put him here, you want put him there. You want put here or you want put in cupboard. Wherever, he not come to say you anything. And then lineage started. But because fire is gone, when master is live fire, he go by according himself as he want. After we using as we want. This is tradition.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
So after every master, traditions start. Go. But fire is gone. And very few people coming with the live master. Very few. Who want to burn in this fire. Because he is fire. You cannot do him anything. You can't say him sit like this, talk like this. You not listen anybody. And only who want to listen him, they come to him. They become follower, life follower. But after tradition start, every many houses his worship start. Now Osho is gone for 40 years. Now he tradition start. Even the fighting start about Osho.
Yeah.
Anybody say Osho is bad, the fight start. Like Muhammad is no good, Hindu-Muslim fight start. Even Muhammad is laughing. Why they fight? A whole life I say don't fight. Only love. Everybody one. Everybody is one blood, one soul. Everybody has one inside. Why you fighting? Even you fighting for me. All tradition, all masters, they followers fighting with each other. Hindu fight with Muslim, Jerusalem fighting with Yahudi, Christian. They all fight with each other about tradition. And this is not tradition. Tradition teach you love. Make love, be love with everyone. Everyone is one. Everyone is coming from them, there. Everybody has one soul, one God, one being. But unawareness, they fighting. Each ego is fighting. My master is big, my master is no big. Your master is nothing, my master is super. The fight start. And master will laugh. Why they fighting on these little things? So many in India happen Hindu-Muslim fight. Many. Often. Big riots happen. People kill to each other. Blood coming, killing, robbing, They don't understand what is the spiritual. The tradition understand. Tradition is not live.
No.
Tradition is dead. After death, and who don't want to die really, who don't want to finish their ego, they be traditional. Live master they not go. After that, tradition with worship him, become his followers. Buddha, after Buddha, Buddhism happened. After Nanak, Sikhism happened. After Krishna, Hinduism happened. After Muhammad, Muslimism happened. Ism happened. Not Muslim, not spiritual, not religion. It is just tradition. And master always against the tradition. He says, you are not right. You just go with rules. You don't want to change. They are afraid. Like Hindu, if you born in Hindu family, you become Hindu tradition. You become Christian family born, you become Christian tradition. But Jesus you don't know. And Jesus said, you are like me. No any difference. All masters say, you and me no difference. As you have, as I have. I am that so energy, existence, you also have. Only you not recognize. A master teach how to recognize, how to be awake. When master go, then people just followers, become traditional, not live.
No life.
Live is fire. Like this is candle. If you put fire, you can see. All around you just put in night, all darkness you can see light. Wherever you take, if fire, you can see everything. But fire go, nothing. Like a material,
Yeah.
like a just picture, nothing huge. No meaning of this candle. Candle is only meaning where fire is there. And this fire is consciousness. Who become conscious, their fire is open. Their light is open. And who want to burn, they come to him. Not everybody never come. After many come. Because nobody to say to them, we don't do this is not right, this is not. They go as they like. Just they know, temple coming, bow down, oh Bhagwan, forgive me. But they don't want to awake. Christian coming to church, do
Yeah.
every day, but don't want to awake.
Yeah.
Awakening they don't want. They say, oh, just your blessing should be come. And Jesus say, I want you be like me. You will be awake like me. But all live master say like this, talk this. After tradition, will start. Every master after tradition has. And people just follow and go on and go on. Yeah. But this is false, not true.
It's false.
It is false. Because truth is gone with his body. You can feel him little portion, but not really awakening. Awaken for real live master is need. And who has this wish, I want to burn, I want to die, I want to finish my ego, they will search, they will get. Somehow, somewhere they get live master. Finally. And whatever you get, what you want, you will get. Sooner or later you get it. So it's like this. But not many people want. Who want to die?
Yeah, it's a difficult.
Who want to finish
Yeah,
their
of course.
ego? Because everybody running more ego, I want more, I want big and big and big, more big with ego. Making worldly ego first. Make more money, I'm big. More property, I'm big. More pupil, more relatives, I'm big. More power, I'm big. All game in world is ego, making ego big.
Yeah.
And when they tired with it, many lives, they see everything this, then you will be tired one day. No, I did this. You been king, you been queen, you been biggest politician, famous in the world. Even sometimes you go and statue, leaders, politician, prime minister, Lincoln statue is there. All
Yeah, big,
famous
yes,
people,
celebrities.
all sports.
Yes.
This musician, what name is? Who died?
Michael Jackson.
Jackson.
Yeah.
And now Jackson maybe took birth. Sure, because he is not enlightened yet. And he come to his statue, his photo. Wow, I want to be like you. Even he was. Sometime you very famous beauty queen, Madam Curie. Don't know you already. You say, oh, I want again Madam Curie. Even you are, she was Madam Curie. But she don't know. Forget.
There is no remembrance.
Nature makes curtain
Yeah.
all your past. Who you was, finish.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
So it is like this. So this is famous thing. We did everything. When you do everything, all game you did, then finally you come to I want finish my ego, finish myself. Enough. I look this, I look that, I went everywhere. All game I did. And now also, if you go, you say, I want family, I want girl, man, I want this, I want this. And when you go, after some time, no, it's nothing.
Not
What I want, I
fulfilling.
not get yet, really.
Yeah.
Because you want, finally want, everybody want, finish this ego. Until then, ego is not finished, this wishes, this mind can go on. One day when when your mind finish, all wishes will be stopped. Need is okay. Want one room, want food, want something little bit, sleep and things, for that is enough. But if you not going in this way, then money of money, billionaires of billionaires, billionaires want more billionaires, be more big. They never stop.
Never.
They not thinking why I do so much money, what I do. But they are not thinking anything else. Richest man in the world, he want more rich. Even he speak. They not understand what I do with it. One day I go where how I cannot take anything with me. But no understanding. They are game of make big, ego is big. Whole world knows me. All people ego is showing, look who I am. Look who I am. I am this, I am this, I am this. All war, all game of the world, who show, see me, I am here. And ego will finish when you not interested to show to others who I am. When you interested to inside you who I am, I want to know. Then ego slowly finish. Will be okay.
Thank you, Master.